Hi! In this video we will show you how to import a Heatup3 expansion pack. Download the expansion pack from my account at our website. Once the download is done, open Heatup3. Click the expansion button, which will take you to the expansion page, and click Import Expansion. Select the expansion you want to install in your Downloads folder and click Open. This progress bar will give you an idea of how long it will take for the expansion pack to be imported. Once the import is done, you will get notified. Now you will see that the expansion pack has been added to Heatup3, and you can access the presets by clicking the expansion icon or the All category.